How to update business details in your Tktby account. Go to Profile, click on Business Details. Select Get Payout from Tktby, then click on the Next button. Select your country, then select the type of your business along with the subtype of your business. Then click on the Next button. Enter the basic details like name, email, PAN number, address, PIN code, state, website, etc. The email and phone number entered here will be your business email and phone number, as the same will be used for further communication. Please do not enter your personal email or phone number. Here you need to enter your business website also. So please enter your website and then click on the Next button. Here you need to enter the event representative details. So please enter the name, email and contact number and then click on the Next button. Here you need to enter your bank details. So please enter the account holder name, account number and the IFSC code of your bank. After entering that, click on the Next button. Here you need to enter the bank document. So please select that and then click on the Submit button. Your business details have been updated. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Tktby.